friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about this booster today. Most of us probably got one. $5 Walgreens cash when you spend $5. The word spend is in there, so there's some little things to talk about. This is valid from the 1st to the 28th. So you have all month long to use this. It's not just, for one day or anything like that. So for the balance of this, you'll have to use your debit card, credit card, cash bills, or manufacturer register rewards. Do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or you will not earn your $5 of Walgreens cash. This is also of a one-time use. Even if the coupon's still there, it's of a one and done. And if you cannot find it, what I recommend is to relaunch the Walgreens app, go into the digital coupons folder, your coupons folder, go to the bottom, and then go back to the top, and it should be the top listed coupon as well. Okay, just to answer another quick question, if you might have a booster like this of earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20, basically the two will not stack. Two digital coupons do not stack, so I wouldn't even try it. Just do one or the other, probably the smaller one first. So just to answer that quick question. However, if you might have a paper booster that looks something like this, yes, one paper and one digital will stack, so you can do it that way. And these come out of the Catalina machine, and they are infrequent. For the last week, I haven't received one, but usually I get them pretty frequently. Usually if I do a digital, like a curbside pickup, that's when they pop out of the machine. First deal we're going to talk about is with the TRESEMME shampoo. As you can see, they are 2 for $10, and we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So here's the coupon. If you really like TRESEMME, this is an opportunity to get some for free, so maybe. So grabbing 2 of them for $10, subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, you're paying $5 with your debit card, getting back a $5 of Walgreens cash, essentially making it for free. Do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, because you and I both know that might give you some issues. So there you have that. The next deal that we have is with the soft soap body wash. So we have $1 digital and then earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. This is the digital coupon that you need loaded for this little deal. So here it is, guys, grabbing 2 of those soft soap body washes. That's $7.98. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $6.98 with your debit card, getting back $10 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, and then 5 for the promotion, making this free plus a $3.02 money maker. Again, do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, back to the Pantene shampoo. And if you've been shopping and doing all these weird little deals at Walgreens, you probably haven't even touched your digital coupons. So this might be one for you to pick up 3 of the Pantenes for $12. We have a digital 5 off of 3 and then get back $5 store register reward when you buy 3 of them. This is what the digital coupon looks like, so please make sure you have it loaded. And here's the math. Grabbing 3 of them, it's $12. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're paying $7 with your debit card, getting back a $5 register reward, $5 of Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $3 money maker. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, because it'll cause some problems. Now, with the glitch that was happening earlier in the week, what I would recommend is all these deals, if you're going to do them and you get back a $5 store register reward, hang on to your receipt in case you have to show it to the cashier to say, I need you to scan this. And they'll be like, that was part of the glitch. And then you can say, no, I bought some Pantene with this, and this is how I got it on Tuesday the 1st. How they'll police all of the dates on those register rewards, I don't know. But I know a lot of you are having a difficult time trying to use any $5 store register reward. So that's what I would do. So the final deal that we're going to talk about with a store register reward is with the Old Spice. Purchase 3 of these, get back $5 store register reward, and there's a 5 off of 3 on the Old Spice only. So if you're an Olay fan, so sorry, but this is what the digital coupon looks like. It's a 5 off of 3 for the Old Spice products. And here's the math, guys. Grabbing 3 of them, that's $19.50. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're paying $14.50 with your debit card, getting back a $5 store register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.50 for the 3 or $1.50 each. Again, remember not to use store register rewards because you're earning one in this, or your Walgreens cash to pay because you don't want any trouble. And if you have to call customer service, it's just the easiest way with this booster. Okay, with Mr. Colgate, these are $4 a pop. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and get back $4 of Walgreens cash when you purchase 2 Colgate toothpastes. Now, this is what our digital coupon looks like. It's a 4 off of 2, so please make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 toothpaste, guys, that's 8 on the nose, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, pay 4 with your debit card, and then you're getting back 9. 4 for Colgate, 5 for that booster. Do not use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, guys. You do not want any trouble. So with this last one, grab any Tide, so Tide Liquid, Tide Pod, a Bounty Essential, a Charmin, whatever you want, grab one of them for $5.24. Pay that right with your debit card, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, 24 cents. Do not use store register reward or Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. I just think it's a really smart move, especially with all the news looming that these P&G products will be more. If you're a Tide fan, this might be an opportunity to get some for 24 cents. Okay, guys, so in case you missed it, I posted a video yesterday about this glitch with the Just for Men. Also, with those $5 store register reward, that weird glitch that was happening on Sunday morning only for a couple hours, there is a process on how to get them to scan if your store cannot scan them. I list it all in this video. I will link it here at the very end. Please check it out. Because for me, I just could not scan them perfectly at checkout. I had to do this weird jog. So please check that out. I'm not going to go through it again, but some great information in this video, and also a really big moneymaker with Just for Men. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.